My name is Daniel. I am 70 years old now. I live alone in a small, quiet house at the edge of the city. Every morning, I wake up before sunrise. Not because I want to, but because old habits never leave you. I sit on my bed and look at the empty chair near the window. That chair once belonged to my son. Yes, my son. The only person I lived for. When life was full. Many years ago, my house was full of laughter. My wife, my son, and I shared every meal together. I worked hard all my life. I was not rich, but I was honest. I wanted to give my son a better future. When my wife passed away, everything changed. My son was still young. I became both father and mother for him. I cooked for him. I washed his clothes. I waited for him late at night. I never complained. Because love does not complain. A son grows up. Time passed. My son grew up. He got a good education. He got a good job in the city. I was proud of him. Very proud. One day he said, "Father, I want to live alone. I need my own life." I smiled and said, "Of course, my son. Go and build your future." But my heart was heavy. Before leaving, he hugged me and said, "I will visit you often." I believed him. The silence. At first, he called every day. Then once a week. Then once a month. Slowly, the calls stopped. Days turned into weeks. Weeks turned into months. I waited. Every time my phone rang, my heart jumped. But it was never him. Lonely evenings. Evenings are the hardest. I cook food for 2 out of habit, then realize I am alone. I talk to the walls. I talk to old photographs. Sometimes I sit near the window, hoping to see his face. People say, "Be strong." But strength feels weak when you are lonely. A father's question. One night I asked myself, did I fail as a father? I gave him love. I gave him time. I gave him my whole life. But maybe, in this fast world, old parents move too slowly. An unexpected visit. One rainy evening, there was a knock at the door. My hand shook as I opened it. It was him. My son stood there, wet, tired, and quiet. He looked at me and said, "Father, I'm sorry." I did not ask questions. I did not shout. I just hugged him. Tears spoke what words could not. The truth. He said, "Life is busy. I forgot what really matters. I missed your food. I missed your voice. I missed home." I smiled with tears in my eyes, because a father's heart never closes its door. The lesson. Children chase dreams. Parents wait with prayers. Money, success, and busy lives can never replace love. If you have parents, call them, visit them, sit with them, because one day the chair may be empty and time never comes back. Moral of the story: never forget the parents who never forgot you.